All right, welcome to lesson 3.7 in the Cisco CCT Data Center series. In this lesson, we're going to be discussing how to identify NXOS configuration files. So the important distinction to make is that there's two different configuration files. There's the startup config and there's the running config. So the running config is the config that is operational when the device is on. And the startup config is the config that is saved into the startup config file that comes up when the device boots up. So when you boot up the device, it comes into the starting config, and then you can make changes to it, and then that's going to be the running config. It ceases to be the startup config, and it's the running config until you do a copy run start. Then that makes the startup config whatever the running config is at that exact moment when you put that command in. So what you can do is boot up a device with the startup config, change some stuff so then the running config is different than the startup config, and then if you don't save anything and reload the device, it will revert back to what the startup config was, and then the changes that you made won't be saved. And so this is the same as it is in regular iOS as well. But the point of this requirement is to know how to look at it, and so that's why we have the commands there. So show run, which is the short version of show running config, and then we have show start, which is short for show startup config. All right, so that pretty much wraps up this lesson. If you found it helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.